Alright guys, so we're back. I'm now finished doing all the prepping on the bike. The bike, as you can see, has been primed already, so prime time's done. Now it's spray day, so time to get down to it. I've gone ahead and I've done it just a quick light dry sand, and then I've wet sanded it. Now everything should be very smooth. The body was the easiest to do, clearly, because there's still paint on it. The plastic was a little bit harder. Between sanding it down and spraying now is what I'm going to do. I've given it another wipe down with soapy water, and I'm just letting it dry, making sure that there's absolutely nothing on the parts before I spray now. I'm just going to wait a couple more minutes. Wow, look at the size of that bee going there. Get rid of that guy. I'm just going to wait a couple more minutes so none of the bike is in the sun, so all the bike gets the same finish, and then we'll get going. Okay, so it's time to spray now. We've just got to go ahead and do what the can says. Shake it for a full minute, and then after every minute of spraying, another 10 seconds of shaking. So that's pretty much what you'll see me doing, just shaking it a lot. The sun's gone away now, so there's my wet little rag as well, by the way, on the inside of my breather, because the paint is a little bit thinner than is the primer, so I expect it'll just spray all over the place. At the end I'll show you what that looks like, save me from inhaling all of that. So here we go, let's get started. Alright, so by the looks of it, just enough paint to do 2 coats on this. It's coming out nice and mirror like I want it to, and it's actually got a really nice finish. I'm really happy with that. So unfortunately though, the paint is nowhere near as much as the primer. So 3 cans of primer probably looks like about 5 or 6 cans of paint. So here we go. For round 2, let's get the rest of the red on the bike, so at least I can get to rebuilding her. I'm not too happy with what I've done. You know what? Having a closer look, it actually looks really good. Just got to let it dry off now. I'm glad the frame number did not come off. So that's perfect. Even after 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint. As you saw, I only went over the back side of her once. She looks pretty good. I think I'm going to have to wait to get some more of this paint. Just give her another once over. So I'm probably looking at another can on here. And maybe another 2 cans on here. And then I've got the other black bits. I've got the black paint too. I'm going to use the black paint. It's exactly the same can, but all the parts that I'm going to spray are much smaller. So I'm going to do the back brake lever. I'm going to do the stand over here. Got all my other parts stored up somewhere else. So all the little black parts. This is also going to get done black again. So everything's going to look nice and brand new when I'm done. I'm probably going to try and finish this off now. So let's see, maybe some more black spraying to come. With the black, since it's already black and it's paint to paint, I don't know if I'm going to put primer or not. I'm going to go check a little bit now, just do a little bit of research. And if I can get away with not putting primer on, which I might be able to, since it's just black to black, then I'm going to do it. But let's have a look.